Hey everybody. Sorry. I don't expect anyone to watch this. This is probably going to be pretty short anyway. But as you know, I plan on setting up a two-scale model of the Earth-Moon system, and I to make some predictions to see if they match with observations on the night of March 30th and 31st of this year. But I ordered a 6-inch moon globe, and I was hoping it would come before we went to the UP on Friday. It didn't, so it came this weekend, and nobody stole it. And here it is. I have already opened it, but I'm still going to show everybody. 6-inch diameter, which means I need a 2-foot diameter globe, which was actually pretty hard to come by. But here it is. It's actually pretty good. I think I can easily get this with the camera. I will need to orient this at about 60 feet from my Earth model. I can't link videos below, never mind. But I did a basic video. It's the one with the chalkboard showing how you plan on setting this whole thing up. But the good thing, no, that was correct. Oh no, that's correct. That's about right from what we can see. But I had a real hard time finding a 2-foot diameter. I just wanted like a 2-foot diameter beach ball or something, or one of those half styrofoam things, so I could model at least the northern hemisphere. No one makes these things. Apparently, beach balls are smaller than that or really big, and the Earth is about 4 times the diameter of the moon. This is 6 inches, so I need a 2-foot one. But I did find an inflatable one that you can actually draw on with lines of longitude and latitude online for relatively cheap. So I had to go and order that. Hopefully, that will come before the actual nights of the observations because I didn't pay for express shipping. It should be here, and then I plan on going someplace where there's lots of open field and setting up the experiment and walking you through it. The reason why I'm doing this as a physical model, this Earth Moon system, instead of just mathematically modeling it, is because there are so many angles that you have to deal with. Not only do you have to deal with how far the moon, hey Muskie, not only do you have to deal with how the inclination of the moon from the ecliptic, but you have to deal with the tilt of the Earth. You have to deal with your latitude. You have to deal with the rotation of the Earth at the specific time you're making the observation. All these things come into effect, and just doing it mathematically, I started doing it, and I can do it because it's just a bunch of trig equations. But it got messy, and I don't want to bog people down with too much math, so that's why I'm building this physical model, and I'll probably do other ones in the future. But we went up north to my cabin this weekend in the UP, and there's still like 3 feet of snow there. There's a video that is coming tonight to show of all of our little antics and stuff. We didn't wander far from the captain. Could you use the Universe Sandbox 2? But it's does it? Hey, yeah, I could use Universe Sandbox 2, and I know somebody that actually has it, and I have thought about buying it, but I would have to sit there and spend so much time learning it, and I've only got till the end of the month. I might buy it later, but this way, if I build, oh, cool, you have it. Yeah, I was messing around with somebody who has it at work, but I have to learn the whole thing. Plus, if I build a physical model, there's less lines of argument for people to say stupid things. But anyway, I do think it would look neat to build a physical model. So that's why I did. It's not that expensive. I think this thing was $15. Oh, hey, I don't comment. Yeah, I was so excited. I was hoping to get this before we left for the UP, but it did. I'm just glad no one stole it off my porch. And plus, the physical models cost. This is $15. One of the inflatable globes you can draw on is about, I think it was $12. And everything else I'm going to use from stuff I already have. So we're looking at a whopping $30 for this. How much is Universe Sandbox 2? $15. So it's like twice as much the cost of the computer program. Yeah, that would be awesome if you could. Yeah, that would be great, actually. I need it for 47 degrees latitude, though. That would be really cool of you. Thanks. So I think I'm going to end this here in a couple minutes. I have some Yeah, here's Blackie. Buddy. Send me an email with your specs. Can I get a hold of you from YouTube? Because I don't do Twitter, and we're not friends on Facebook. So okay, I will do that. All right. So yeah, so I got to get this. Hey, Muskie. Yeah, I love all animals. I just happen to have cats because I'm not around a lot, and I don't have to babysit them when they're gone. And usually, me and Sarah go places together, so like no one's here to watch them. Dogs are just too high maintenance. When we permanently move to the UP, we'll probably get a dog. Um, but just right now, we just can't with how much we're gone. I just trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, I just want to get that UP video ready. Thanks to all 7 people watching, and I think that's it.